my name is Ethan. I am an incoming senior at the Bay School of San Francisco, and this is my detector. Since my most recent update, I have changed it aesthetically by essentially just painting black. I also realized that with the last grip, the grip was parallel to this pipe, so it was very unergonomic. So you were holding it essentially like this, which was really awkward. So I recut it and made it on this angle, which is a 43-degree angle. And so now when you hold it, it makes much more sense. And to show you working, you turn the power button, and then, for example, there's the phone over there. So that works by, as I described in the last video, how the NE555 chip works, where it's essentially an oscillator, and when the coil is made more efficient by some kind of metal that helps it, the frequency raises, while if there's some kind of very dense metal, it lowers. So, for example, if you can see it, like this thing is dense, so it makes it lower. Some modifications I would like to do on this, if I had time. One is that the resistor is actually the thing that mainly controls the tone, because it controls how much voltage is let through at a certain amount of time, sorry, current. And so it's currently at 47K, and I would like to have a variable resistor at a potentiometer on like the side here, so you can actually control the actual tone of the thing, because let's be real, this is really annoying to listen to. I would also like to have a volume knob. I think that would be pretty cool, again, just for sanity's sake. I also did a bunch of research on what the actual coil design does. So the larger the coil, generally, the deeper it can sense. So if this was about triple the size, it would be able to sense the phone from up here. But the less accurate it is, because it would be able to sense it from up here, but you wouldn't know any of this area where it was. The smaller design, the less sensitive it is distance-wise, the more you can pinpoint something. So I think the best of both worlds would be to actually have about 4 or 5 different coils and have them hot swappable with some like bullet connectors, so you can pop them in, pop them out. That would maximize the utility of it and make it most versatile, I think. I would also like to, so this is actually the barrel of a water gun. Sorry, not barrel, handle of a water gun, and what I would like to do is actually, instead of having the button here, to actually have it where the trigger was, because I think that would be very natural to just hold a button where the trigger should be to actually use it. I think that would be another cool modification. Yeah.